Welcome to Seifu Instruments. Today we present this high-efficiency atmospheric plasma cleaner. Turn on the red power switch on the side of the device, and the 4.3-inch color touchscreen will boot up immediately, displaying 4 core modules on the homepage: manual control, settings, alarms, and manufacturer information. Enter the manual control interface. The left system control section allows device start or stop and precise power adjustment, while the right real-time. The monitoring section uses a red indicator to show device status and displays 3 key parameters including frequency, voltage, and current. After startup, the high-speed plasma delivers efficient cleaning performance. Next, go to the settings interface, which consists of 3 key areas: the time and maintenance areas for tracking operating hours and setting maintenance cycles; the operating parameters area covering current count, motor current, and alarm thresholds; and the system configuration area for setting communication parameters, device IP check, baud rate, and switching between Chinese and English interfaces. Then access the alarms interface, where indicator lights clearly show 8 cores, fault types: overcurrent, over temperature, over voltage, under voltage, air pressure abnormalities, inverter fault, electrical discharge fault, motor fault, facilitating quick troubleshooting. Finally, check the manufacturer information interface for company profiles and contact details. And turn off the side power switch after operation to shut down the device.